Welcome to Rainbow Learning. Today I'm making a cheese toasty. First I need to cook the bread in the toaster. That's one slice of bread and 2 slices of bread. Whoa! I think it's ready. Let's butter the toast before adding the cheese. Let's make it really cheesy. 1 slice, 2 slices, 3 slices, 4 slices. Looks good. Now we need to melt the cheese in the microwave. That's one really cheesy toasty. Let's make a strawberry shake to go with the toasty. Add strawberries, milk, and strawberry yogurt. One strawberry smoothie. Thanks for helping me in the kitchen. See you next time. Hi everyone, welcome to Rainbow Learning Kitchen. Today we're going to be making pizza. First we need to make the pizza dough. Add white Play-Doh, brown Play-Doh, some water, and flour. Yay! We've made the pizza dough. Let's press it out to make the shape of the pizza base. Okay, let's put it in the oven. Now we're ready to put on the toppings. Tomato, eggplant, onion, pineapple, salami, bell pepper, mushrooms, now we're ready to cook the pizza. We've cooked the pizza, now we need to put it all together. There's the base. Add pineapple, onion, mushrooms, tomato, basil leaves. Let's add some extra cheese. Now we can serve up the pizza. Let's cut a slice. Yummy pizza! Thanks for helping me in the kitchen. See you next time. Welcome to Rainbow Learning Kitchen. Today I'll be making a hot dog and fries. First I need to make the hot dog bun. Add 1 egg, some flour, milk, some white Play-Doh, and brown Play-Doh. Let's mix the ingredients together. Great! Now we can make the bun for the hot dog. I'm now placing the hot dog mixture in the bun. Now I'm ready to cook the hot dog. Wow, 1 hot dog! Let's put some mustard on the top. Nice work! Looks great! Now let's make some fries. I'm using yellow Play-Doh for the fries. Wow, I've made a lot of fries. Add red Play-Doh. Now we're ready to cook. make a strawberry smoothie to go with our hot dog and fries. 1 strawberry, 2 strawberries, 1 strawberry smoothie. Watching Rainbow Learning. If you'd like to see more of our videos, please subscribe.